Millie Waits for the Mail by Alexander Steffensmeyer. Millie waits for the mail. Every morning, while being milked, Millie started out at the farmyard. This was her favorite time of day because there was something Millie loved more than anything else. Sometimes before or during reading, we can make what we call predictions. Predictions are when you try to make a good guess about what might happen next or what might happen in a story. I predict that there's something Millie loved about the morning time of day more than anything else, and that is maybe getting milked. What else happens in the morning? Maybe it could also be eating breakfast. What do you predict that Millie loved more than anything else? Let's read and find out what it is. Scaring the mail carrier. Oh no, a mail carrier is a person who delivers mail, which can be a man or a woman. Sometimes we call them the mailman or the mailwoman. I did not predict correctly. I did not think that Millie liked the morning as her favorite time of the day because she wanted to scare the mail carrier. No, I thought it was going to say something like she wanted to eat breakfast or she wanted to get milked. But nope, Millie likes scaring the mail carrier. Poor guy. And chasing him off the farm. So there goes the poor mail carrier on his bike, pedaling as fast as he can away from Millie, who likes to scare him. Oh, Millie. Every day, Millie searched for a new hiding place. So if we look at the key details in the picture, we see right here Millie is hiding behind a group of pigs. And here in the middle, it looks like Millie is trying to hide in a bunch of flower pots. And now Millie is hiding in a big tin bucket or pail with the chickens. That's silly Millie. There she is in the tree. On the days the farmer didn't get any mail, Millie felt so let down. So when you feel let down, you're sort of sad and disappointed. The farmer didn't share Millie's idea of fun. That means the farmer and Millie did not think the same things were fun or funny. All her packages arrived broken. That's probably because why? That's right. Millie's scaring the mail carrier and he is dropping the packages. Oh, Millie had to be stopped. There is the mail carrier. There's Millie. There's a whole bunch of mad looking cows and there's a mail carrier, very, very scared it looks like. I predict the mail carrier must be dreaming or thinking of these things. And the mail carrier had terrible nightmares every night. Yep, my prediction was right that time. These are nightmares, which are very bad and scary dreams that people sometimes have when they go to sleep at night. So the mail carrier had terrible nightmares of Millie and angry cows. But one morning, he finally had an idea. Maybe if I bring the cow a package, he said to himself, she will like me. Do you think, boys and girls, that the mail carrier's idea is going to work? Do you think if the mail carrier brings Millie a package, Millie will like him and maybe stop scaring him? What do you think? Make a prediction. The next day, Millie lay in wait, just as she did every morning. And Millie scared the mail carrier, just as she did every morning. Oh no, look at Millie jumping out of the tub with her goggles on. The mail carrier looks terrified. And that looks like the pretty package the mail carrier wrapped just for Millie. That's enough! Shouted the farmer. Uh-oh, there's the farmer on the tractor. She's chasing Millie the cow, and Millie is chasing the poor mail carrier who did not even give Millie the pretty present that's wrapped on the back of his bike. Oh my. I'm going to reread this part. That's enough, shouted the farmer, chasing after Millie, who was chasing after the mail carrier. Again. Stop right there! I don't know. I predict the mail carrier is pretty angry. Enough already, shouted the mail carrier too. This package is for you, you silly cow. Millie slid to a sudden stop. A package? She had never received a package before. What on earth could it be? The box bounced right past her and landed under the wheels of the farmer's tractor. Oh no, yelled the farmer, but it was too late. The package was completely flattened. Aww, so the package is all ruined now. Millie's heart dropped and her feet went out from under her. I think she's feeling let down again and disappointed. What do you think? And when she pulled herself up on wobbly knees, the mail carrier's bicycle looked a little different. I'm ruined, sniffed the mail carrier. How will I deliver the mail without my bicycle? Oh, so not only did Millie's package get ruined, but the mail carrier's bicycle got ruined too. So, do you think our prediction was correct? Did you think that the mail carrier's idea about getting Millie a package of her own, do you think it worked, boys and girls? Do you think your prediction was correct? It looks like the package was flattened. Sorry, go back. The bike was ruined, but we don't really know if Millie's going to stop scaring the mail carrier or not. There is a happy farmer milking Millie the cow. So it has to be morning time. Notice the sunlight. Farmers usually milk cows in the morning. So let's see what happens on this morning. It says, now, every morning, Millie can't wait to finish her milking because there is something she loves more than anything else. What do you predict it's going to be? You think she's still scaring the mail carrier? Or do you think the mail carrier's idea of getting Millie her own present worked? Why or why not? If you need to pause the video and think about it, go ahead. If not, let's keep reading and find out. Delivering the mail! So now Millie is no longer scaring the mail person. Now she's helping the mail person deliver all the mail. So, boys and girls, if you predicted that the mail carrier's idea about getting Millie her own package worked and it would make Millie stop scaring the mail carrier, you predicted correctly. Kiss your brain. Excellent. The mail carrier's idea worked, and Millie stopped scaring the mail carrier and started helping the mail carrier. That was a great story. That is the end. So were your predictions correct? Why or why not? If you were the mail carrier or the farmer, what ideas could you come up with to help Millie stop scaring the mail carrier every day? Thank you for listening to the Read Aloud, Millie Waits for the Mail, one of our wonders, Read Alouds. As always, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel.